Hi friends, in last lecture we studied deep foundation. What is mean by deep foundation? What are the general use of deep foundation? What are the types of pile foundation according to its function? What are the classification of pile foundation according to its function like bearing piles, friction piles, screw piles? Then we also see classification based on materials and composition, in which the piles made from cement, concrete, timber, steel, and composite pile we see. Then, what are the requirements of good foundation are studied. Then, causes of failure of good foundation. Today's last lecture of foundation, in which we study the setting out building foundation on ground. It means give the marking on ground before excavation work. Setting out building foundation on ground. Setting out of building foundation trenches is the process of laying down the excavation lines and center line on the ground based on the foundation plan. The setting out process is also called as ground tracing, that is performed before commencing the excavation process. Once the design of foundation is complete, a setting out plan or foundation layout is prepared for a suitable scale and the plan is dimensioned accordingly. Procedure is given in next slide. The basic steps involved in setting out the foundation trenches are: first step is the initial step is to mark the corners of the building, after which the length of the sides are checked by diagonal measurements. Second step is the axial lines, that are center lines of the trenches, are marked with the help of profiles, sighting rails, strings, and pegs. Next step is the trench positioning is controlled by outline profile boards. Profiles are set 2 meter away from the outline so that they do not interrupt the excavation process. Fourth step is the offsets are measured from axial lines and the frontage line are placed in their correct position relative to local requirement. And last step is the cross walls positioning is performed by measuring along the main walls and squared from these walls as required. The total width of trenches must be carefully outlined during this process. The figure shows the foundation layout, centerline marking, the corners are fixed, then diagonals are checked. Line 1 represents the center line of foundation, and the foundation layout is or setting out building foundation on ground is shown in figure. Next is requirement in setting out foundation. The setting out layout must establish the following requirements, in which the size of the excavation, the shape of excavation, uh, next is in which direction we do excavation, the direction is also known, the width of the walls, and the position of the walls. Next is points should be observed while setting out trenches. In order to set out foundation plan, nails, pegs, profiles, strings, and lime are used. Second is in order to correctly determine the position of trenches, the side rails have to be properly erected at the corners of the building. It means the sides rails are perfectly vertical. Then accurate center lines or axial lines can be determined and marked by using a theodolite. Fourth point is to the nails or pegs on the profile, strings are tied and stretched to achieve horizontal control of dimensions. Next one is at a distance of 1 meter from the edges of excavation, vertical references like pillars are erected. Hence, vertical control is achieved during building construction. Next is a standard datum is previously determined and marked by the surveyor, based on which the levels on the sides are obtained. The depth of trenches and other levels should also be regulated by measurement from this point. Next is before placing the concrete into the trenches, the bottom must be properly ramped and compacted. Second last is the width is marked by means of lime powder when the excavation is performed by hand. This marking gives accurate cutting. And last point is center line is marked when the excavation are performed by a machine. Thank you.